Hey guys, I've just pulled up to the Designers Plumbing showroom here in Miami. I'm excited to go and see my good friend, also referred to as the Queen of Hardware herself, that's Ada. And we're going to go over a few things in the showroom, as well as a job that we've completed last year, being the Hardrock Hotel and Casino up the coast in Hollywood. Let's go check it out.
Well, we've been around for 36 years now, and we specialize in designers, architects at the high end, in doing jobs that require a lot of attention to detail, from commercial to residential, to show product that may excite their imagination.
Exactly. And one of the things that we've seen specifically become really popular in the market here in South Florida is our handles, firstly, with the CL400, and some of our flush to ceiling tracks because of that drive towards a more of a contemporary aesthetic.
Oh, the ceiling flush has been an incredible thing for me, because I think that is the most Miami look that you could have come up with.
Okay.
Most of the buildings in the city are planned to give a view of our wonderful place and ocean, and being able to do doors that disappear, and doors that have no frames, that do not impede the light and the view. It's just wonderful.
Fantastic. It was 100% designed specifically for Miami. Ceiling recess, full height track system. There you go.
Moving on from Designers Plumbing, we decided to take a drive up the coast to the Hardrock Hotel. Shaped like a massive guitar at 500 feet tall, it was an impressive feat by the architect Leo Daly, the designer Wilson Associates, and the general contractor Suffolk Construction. Our CL400 Magnetic handles were used in 600 guest rooms within the hotel. They were custom finished in a champagne bronze, specifically to match the finish of the doors.
And there is your lock position. This is a simple switch to get you right. The frame is totally flush, as you can see. And it's all this wonderful champagne color.
Here at Cavity Sliders, sliding doors are all that we do. So no matter how weird and wonderful your project is, if it's interior and it's sliding, get in touch and we'll be happy to help.
What is the weirdest or most strange piece of hardware or request that you've ever had?
It wasn't weird or strange, it was maybe a little over the top.
Okay.
I have a sample.
So I put Ada on the spot.
I had no idea that this would come up, but if you want me to tell you.
Yeah, what, sorry?
Murano glass.
Murano.
A master closet that is 1,700 square feet
Wow.
in size. And it required for each of the doors of the cabinets inside the closet one of these
There
as
you
a
go.
pull. And there were 45 of them.
Wow.